So hey everyone, welcome to Startup Basics. This is one of the module in the full MBA course, and initially this module was not there in the full MBA course, but I was getting a lot of messages from you guys on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and you guys were requesting that you really want to have a sort of a module which will explain how to start up, about entrepreneurship, about business. So if you guys really want to start your own business or a new startup venture, then this module is going to give you a basic overview of the startup ecosystem. Obviously, this lean startup course will have 7 different modules. So you can see that Startup Basics is one of the module in the complete lean startup course. So I advise you guys not to expect anything too much from this module, because Startup Basics is just going to cover some very basic terminologies and very basic idea about startup and business. So these are the concepts which we are going to learn in the Startup Basic module. But if you are someone who really want to start their own business or a new startup venture, then I advise you to dig a little deeper into the entrepreneurship concept. For that, you can simply click on my profile and you can go to my profile and check the course section, and you can easily find this lean startup course out there. I'm just going to give you a very quick overview of the complete lean startup course outline. In module 1, which is Startup Basics, we are going to cover these many concepts, which we are also going to cover in this full MBA course as well. In module number 2, which is all about finding a $1 billion idea and validating it, that's all about finding the personal problems, some industry gaps, how to create a better version of something, and we'll also understand some validation concept like how to calculate TAM, what is the growth potential, how you can scale this product, all those kind of concepts. In the third module, which is all about prototyping and MVP, MVP is also called as minimum viable product. So before creating the full product, you'll create an MVP, you'll test out your MVP, and then you'll create a full product. In this module, we'll be covering some very basic prototyping technique, which is 3D printing, wireframing, mockups, MVP prioritization metrics, how we'll build MVP for a small app. Then we'll test that MVP, we'll take feedback, design a feedback mechanism loop, find out a product market fit. In the next module, we will cover out some business model and traction parameters, like what are the different types of business model, like freemium, hook and bait, subscription, how to create network effect. Then we'll also understand some concept of affiliate marketing, some various categories of startup like SaaS, PaaS, and other different types of product. Then in the next module, we'll cover something about incubators and accelerators. So who are incubators, who are accelerators, different stages of investment like bootstrapping, crowdsourcing, seed funds, angel investors, venture capitalists. Then we'll understand, then I'll try to show you a few pitch decks of Uber and Airbnb. I'll also tell you how to design a proper pitch deck with a proper structure, like problem at the first place, taking from problem. Then I'll also tell you some new technique to design. Then I'll also tell you some hacks to design a great pitch deck, taking from problem to traction. And a great pitch deck is really going to give you a very good boost to raise some investment. And in the 6th module, we will be covering some expansion and exit strategy for a startup. So we'll be covering some product hacks, like how to fix leaky buckets, how to create a flywheel kind of concept, hook and bait kind of business model. And then we'll understand how to find a good founding team, create a strong culture. These kind of concepts we'll also be covering in that module. So that's all about the lean startup course. So in this full MBA course, we are just going to cover the Startup Basics, which is the first module. So let's jump into this and let's understand some very basic concept about the startup.